scrubbing.
He found
The scrubbing. The scrubbing. The scrub brush.
the scrubbing brush.
That's what I said.
Scrubbing.
Scrubbing brush. He carried it in his mouth. And I mean really gross. Right now. He ran into the house. Up
the stairs.
And
he dashed.
Dashed? Like dash?
Dashed.
Like,
he went fast.
Like Dash from Incredibles 2.
Yeah.
With the family followed close behind. Why is it going so slow? He going so fast.
Oh, it's a red spot right there. It's showing real good in the camera. Look at that.
Let me see. Where is it?
Right there by your hand on the floor and the carpet. Who wasted something red?
I think someone made a robbery.
Go ahead and finish reading.
He jumped into the bathtub and sat up, beginning with the scrubbing brush in his mouth. A trick he certainly, alright, had never done before. This little doggy wants a bath. He cried. The little girl and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" What the? Oh. There it is. That's him. Harold Bath.
Harry's
bath was the soapiest one her hair ever had. It worked like magic. Who would ever see magic? And as soon as the children start to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy and Daddy!" Mommy, like you're a zombie mommy? Like you're a mummy.
Mommy.
Yeah, like mommy. Look. Come quickly. It's Harold. It's Harold. They cried. Harold wagged his tail and was very happy. His family coming bed.
I can't see. What did it say? His family what?
Come bed.
I can't see where you're reading at. Let me see. Point to it.
Come bed.
Point to it. Combed. Like you combed your hair?
Yeah.
Combed. And combed.
And brushed.
His
lovely,
Mm-hmm.
and he became once again a white dog with black spots. I don't know. What is this? Oh, that's that one. I doubt it'll take over. That's not. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry felt asleep in his favorite place, happiless.
Point to it. I can't see it. Look, where? Happily
Dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly. I was right.
Mm-hmm.
He didn't ever
He didn't even
feel
feel
the scrubbing brush. He'd hidden under his pillow.
He didn't even feel the scrubbing brush. Okay. He what? Hidden under his pillow. Okay. Very good. What's the name of that book?
Harry the Dirty Dog.
Harry the Dirty Dog. I think.
Wait, what? There he is.
Okay,
They live with friends.
What we're gonna do